Hi guys, so we're going to be doing a Shein try on haul. They're having a super savings event from November 24th to December 3rd, so check them out for your body and a budget items. Let's get into it. So this is the first outfit. The top is from Shein. It's old. I'll link it for you guys, and the pants are new. I love these pants, okay? I'm a comfy girl at heart, and these does it for me. Between the drawstring waist and the high-waisted and the two-tone detail, it's everything. Everything. Okay? Errand outfit, check. And then the pockets make it even better. Okay? So this is the next fit. The top is old. I've had it for a while. I don't know if it's still available, but I'll link something similar if I can find it. The pants are new. Get into the bottoms. Okay, this is a elevated basic. The detail at the waist, the straight leg, oh baby, this is everything. This is everything. Okay. It's giving. It's giving. Okay. And excuse my shirt if it's a little bit crushed. I just had to show you guys how I would style the pants. But yeah, the bottom is a large. Before I get into the next fit, the pants can't fit. Okay, the pants are not passing my butt. Your girl is getting thick. I will say that it's kind of pulling right here where the buttons are, so I'm probably gonna give this to my mom, but the set is cute if you can figure out your size. Next set, just like the other one. So the top is giving exactly what I wanted to give. The titty is standing up and tittying. Okay, it's not pulling, and the material is nice and thickiana. And also it has the little silicone tabs that's gonna make sure your top stays up, which I like. The other one has it also, but this definitely snatched my waist in. And I love the little cut. It has a cut at the side of the pants, but baby, if I sneeze, this pants won't fit how tight it is. So this is the next fit. I got a full jumpsuit. Normally I like my rompers / shorts, but it's getting a little bit chilly, so your girl has to do a full jumpsuit. I love a good high neck because it gives sophisticated and well put together. So medium, and it fits amazing. I love the fact that I can wear this with heels or sneakers or slippers. I also got this purse right here. It's cute. I'm gonna go style this and show you guys. Your girl need a little shapewear, honey. Okay, but if I was wearing this is how I would style it more casually. The glasses are from Amazon, per Shein, bodysuit Shein, and the slippers are Hermes. So yeah, comment what outfit was your fave, and I'll link my coupon code if it's still active. But you know, Shein prices are good right now, real good, so shop. Deuces.